Hello friends, welcome back to my channel DIY Affinity. Today I am going to convert old plastic containers into a beautiful planters. For that first I am starting to paint it with a white color. You can use white acrylic color or white plastic paint. Now after painting it with white acrylic color, I am starting to draw my design. For the first design, I am covering it with black color. After that, I am going to paint gold color in the bottom of the pot. I am giving 3 coats. After 3 coats, it's look like this. After that I am going to draw an elephant motif in that pot with white acrylic color. You can use any contrast color like yellow and red, yellow and black, like that. Today I chose black and white because I always love black and white combination. I am going to give double outline for the elephant motif too. After that I am going to make more elephant motifs in that pot using the same technique. Now I am making dots on the bottom of the planter part using my brush is bottom part. Finally I am going to make another dot pattern in the top of the part. This part is so easy to make, at the same time it looks so classy. I don't know the camera does the justice or not, but it is my most favorite part. For the second design, I already covered the part using yellow color, yellow acrylic color. I am going to make a floral pattern. For that I am using a contrast color. I have chosen yellow and red. I am going to make few more flowers using blue color too. Even though this part looks so simple, but it looks so attractive also. Floral pattern never goes old fashioned, so always floral pattern will be like hit only. Now I am making few more designs. I'm going to make leaves also using green acrylic color. Finally, the part looks like this. I'm going to make border of the part using red acrylic color. Now I'm going to make third part. I love butterflies, so I'm going to try a butterfly design on this part. First, I'm covering the outline using yellow acrylic color. In the part, you cannot blend colors like canvas. It is always tough, but if you keep on practicing, it is very easy to make. After filling the yellow color, I am going to give some red tinges on the design. Like this. When you give red tinges on the design, you have to mix it with yellow color too. Blend it 3-4 times till you get the right color. After that, I started giving outline using black acrylic color. I'm going to fill the parts I have shown in the video. I'm going to do the same in the other side too. So I am showing only one side what I am making. Now I am giving white dots. On the butterfly. After that, I am going to fill blue color in the remaining part I'm going to give 2 coats. This is first coat. After second coat, it looks like this. I have drawn antenna too. So this is my third part. After that, I'm going to make my fourth part. For that, I'm going to fill it with pink color. This is a mix of red and white color. After that, I'm going to make a rose pattern. This looks similar to watercolor pattern, but I tried in acrylic color. Hope you all like it. I liked it so much. This is one simple pattern. Everyone can draw. After finishing the pattern, you need to draw the leaves too. Similar rose pattern I'm going to fill in the rest of the part. I'm giving a red color design, red color coating to the border of the part. This is my fourth part. Now I'm going to make my fifth part. For fifth part, I painted the part using green acrylic color. After that, I started making tribal patterns like shown in the video using black acrylic color.